Hello everybody, this is Anton Marketer. In this video I want to share with you my road trip about AI in SEO, search engine optimization, and how you can make blog with AI. I want to share with you my blog. It's antonmarketer.com. This is fully AI generated content. Mostly this is text. Yep. Here it's a big articles for search engine system like a Google, Bing. On the second part, it's a video with text, and the video is AI generated too. It's a great time where we link now, and we can making content without our energy and resources. But this video, it's real. My English it's not so good. I hope it's okay for you. I want to share with you some great tools like ChatGPT, and including special GPTs for SEO, and 2 additional prompts for generating content and SEO optimized content. Okay, and on the end, I want to share with you how you can work with WordPress. It's a great system for the blog. I think it's useful for you. Okay, let's jump to the ChatGPT, and I share with you fully SEO optimized article. It's a great tool. Sorry, in Russian. It's my prompt. It's write article about using GPTs for marketing in English language, and the system GPTs give me a big, great article about these things with the headlines 2, headlines 3, headlines 1, and start case studies, and with FAQ and conclusion. What we do, we copy it and go to the article, start to write the article. It's H1, headline 1. It's what we it's our article or the text. One of you need to do, it's change the headlines from the H3 to, for example, H2, from the H3 to H2, and like this. On the next site, in the GPTs, we have additional information about SEO parameters. It's a title. When we are working with WordPress, we have great plugin. It's named All-in-One SEO. Here is. I like it. I use it every time when I'm working with WordPress. I have around 5 or 6 WordPress sites, and I ever using all-in-one SEO plugin. We're going to here all-in-one SEO to the general and edit snippet. Here we can paste what we have in the GPTs, our SEO title, copy and paste. Other, it's a meta descriptions too. Copy and paste. Additional, we have focus keywords, and if we're using all-in-one SEO, we can put it to the focus key phrases using GPTs for marketing. Here is. It's here is. It's not working correct because they give me the problem here. But I have these key phrases in the title, GPTs for marketing. I don't know why. Maybe if you know this information, please write in the comments. Okay. The next, it's what we need to do. It's LSI keywords. LSI keywords we use in the our standard settings. Here is it's text, and we need to put it here, but in here it's writing not correct for the paste. I'm using additional. Please write below the comma, and here is it's you can Control Command C and Command V, copy and paste. What's next? Next, it's an image. We put image here, and we need additional information. It's like alt text for the image. We have information here, image alt text. It's main. It's additional if you have it. We go in here, replace, and I put here alt text. Yep. And the next, it's a SEO-friendly URL. Copy here and go here and paste it here. Yep. Super easy, and super useful, because we have around 60 from 100. It's great, and the headline SEO headline analyzer 70 from 100. It's great numbers. I really like these GPTs for SEO, for working with my blog. But I have additional information for you. I hope it's more information. I'll using one special prompt for working with the SEO on the blogs. First prompt for find search volume, interesting additional keywords for your articles, difficulty, competitors count, and long tail variations. Here is a prompt I'm using with this keyword too, and this is great because I can understand what. For example, I want to try to find more search volume by month. You can understand what this is here. As the people go to the searching machine like a Google, Bing, and try to find these keywords here. And this is this amount for months. This is my keywords, what I'm writing for. I can send it to 1,000 per month. It's a difficult 55. It's okay. And medium competitors count. It's okay too, and additional long tail variations. But for example, I want to try more search volume. It's AI content creation tools. Yeah, 6,500. Okay, difficult, little bit more, but the competitors count, it's high. Maybe my articles can go to the first page in the Google. Yep. I have alternative variations. I can find the low, for example, here. It's 900 search volume per month. AI marketing strategy generation. It's great. I like it. I can understand what I can write for it. And this is additional long tail variations. This is great prompt. I really recommend it for you for additional research for your blog. And one more additional prompt at final. It's a generate a list blog topics ideas. This is our keyword, and we need to understand trending or evergreen topics, and insight and potential audience and relevant audience for this topic. And ChatGPT, right? This is trending topics with insights, is audience engagement, and this is great. This is trending and this is evergreen. I mostly prefer evergreen because I try to create content, and this content working years and decades. Yeah, and for me, what is AI marketing and how does it work? It's better than, for example, chatbots and AI. I hope you can understand me. And here you risk checked what you're interested in. And at last, it's audience engagement insights, for example, practical guides, evergreen topics, what you need. Okay. Guys, I think it's all. I hope it's useful for you. You can use it in your blog, start creating the blog. I really like WordPress in the last version, up to date, and I hope you can use it too for you too. Okay, my name is Anton Marketer. It's my YouTube channel. It's in and my websites. I hope we can see in the next video, and write in the comments what you think about it. Maybe your recommendation, how you're working with the content, how you're using AI, ChatGPT, and other tools to making content. And see ya in the moment. Bye bye.